Hello everyone, good afternoon. Assamese blog page jole hokoloke swagatam. Aji Hikok Dibo hisabe kiba eta kobole olaisu. Teachers Day celebrating on September 5, making the birth of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is a great scholar, philosopher and second president of India. Today we remember his legacy and essential role that play teachers in our lives. On Teachers Day, we come together to celebrate Teachers Day. Teachers not only impact knowledge, but also inspires us to achieve our best, encouraging us through challenges and celebrating in our success. As we pay tribute to their invaluable contributions, let us remember the significant role they play our education and personal development. Thank you.